Introducing the 2026 Cupra Leon SP VZ Ehybrid. With a powerful 272 horsepower DSG engine, this estate is both efficient and exhilarating to drive. The grey exterior is sleek and modern, while the interior is packed with comfort and safety features like ambient lighting, Bluetooth phone, and multiple airbags. Dominate the road with automatic hazard lights, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking technology. With a Towbar preparation and privacy glass, you'll be ready for anything. Plus, our vehicle undergoes a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specs, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details today.